Hello, Morris Dimba is my name. Welcome to this presentation. Today's presentation is actually a continuation of our previous presentation on tapered portal frame, but this time we are going to work on side clad purlin and just placing the iron sheets around and on top of our rafter. Only that. Let's get started here. Get started right off by placing our purlins. We come to view, navigate, rotate with mouse, come to steel beam, just snap here and snap here, right click, now click that, come to move, come snap at the edge here, click, right click, click move again, there, and snap here. Check this measurement, edit, come to measure, from here to here, that's 47. Click here, click that, enter 50, perfect. Come to view, navigate, click there and rotate this. We'll click on this, come to position, 1.5, 0, apply that, double click that, bring that up slightly, 15, 16, I'll apply that, navigate, rotate, perfect. Now what we are going to do is just to copy this, right click, copy, snap here, right there, and run all the way to this spot. Delete this one, delete this, click, right click, copy, copy, right there, perfect. We'll increase this, by 600 millimeter, by 7 meters, by 1 meter, double click that, we'll undo that. Next, double click that, we'll increase this by 200, we'll undo that, double click that, -100, apply and accept that. Come to position, then bring this to 200, 700 and 50. Perfect. That's what you want, that point. Now we'll come this end. Before doing that, make sure everything is placed in the right position. Next, is to copy this. Right click, copy from that end to this end. Another one to this end. Another one to this end. Just continue up to the very last purlin. Up to the very last, right there. Now come to navigate, snap there. Click this, click move from that spot to that spot. Perfect. Come here, do the same. Click this, right click, delete that, delete that, delete that. What we want is this. Right click, copy from this end to this end. To this end. To that end. Probably the last one. Snap there. Come to navigate, rotate that. Right click, copy from this spot right there. You must be very much accurate. Right click, copy from that spot, go up to the very last one and snap here. Delete duplicates, delete that. Click that, right click, copy, snap there, zoom out and place this one here. Perfect. Now come to navigate and view, rotate with under view, come to rotate with mouse, rotate about that spot, rotate that. Now double click on this, click on this, come to position, bring this to 0, and do that. Bring this to 0. To 100. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is just to select everything. Let's select everything, press Control, select everything there up to the very last. Double click on the last one, click position, come here and type 100 and enter that. Everything has changed automatically together. Click that and rotate. Perfect. Now double click on this, come to position, increase this to 7 meters, 7 to 100 meters. Come to navigate, rotate about that spot. Still need some increment. Double click and come to position, increase this by 400. $600, $800, $750, $760, $700. Perfect. That's the best position for that. Apply and accept that. Double click on this. $7,700. Now double click on this, come to position, click 7,700. Apply and accept. Click that. Press Control. Double click on the last one, come to position, type 7,700. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is to come to navigate, rotate about that spot. We'll select all this, press Control, select that, select that, select that, select that. Select everything here. Come to view, under view, work plane tool. You want to place a work plane tool there. Right click and click interrupt to disable that command. Now we'll right click again to invoke a mirror command and copy special. You'll click mirror. Our mirror line will be this spot going down here. You click copy, and accept that. so everything has mirrored this side, which is exactly what we wanted and what we intended to do. We'll click this, right click, click copy, click copy. From here, place your cursor there and type 600. Enter that. Not 600, 600 is small. Click that, right click, click copy. Click there, place your cursor there and type 1 meter and click accept. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse, rotate this. Perfect. Click that, right click, click copy. And snap here. Right click, copy. Click there and run all the way the other side. Right there. Navigate, rotate with mouse. Perfect. This is what we wanted to be done this end. Now we'll come to edit, online, click that and click that. Perfect. What we are going to do, we'll click that, right click, copy. Click that, right click, copy. Right there, bring that one here. Come to points, come to any click this, right click, click move from that spot to this spot. Click that, turn this round, sitting perfectly well. Now right click, click copy. From this spot to this spot. The next one, to the next one, to the next one. To the very next and the very last one for that column. Perfect. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add those connection. Click that, press Control, highlight everything here, right click, copy. We must get a very nice position to snap. You might snap there in the middle there. Come right here and pick the middle point here. Sitting well. Click that, right click, copy, right from that spot to this spot. Good, and much better. Come to navigate, rotate this. Click this one, click that, right click, click copy. From that spot, run all the way to this spot. That one will be attached right on the beam here. Double click and lengthen that member. Type 100. Bring back to 0. Negative 60. Perfect. Sitting well. Come here, rotate this. Now we'll come to edit, come to points, any position, snap there and snap here. Come to that, cut by line, trim this off from that spot to this spot. We'll cut off that member. You don't want it on that spot. Click this, right click, copy. Right from this bottom end, perfect, that's what we want. Click this, right, press Control, highlight this, press Control, highlight all this. Select that, select that. Come to view, navigate, click that and rotate. Right click, copy. From there to this end. Copied. Click that, right click, copy. From this bottom end, from that bottom end, run all the way to this spot. Do the same thing by selecting by press Ctrl select, click that and that and that and this. And that, right click, copy, snap down here, come here and place everything here. Navigate, click that and rotate. Everything copied. Now we'll come back here, we'll click that member, press Ctrl and click this all the way down. If you click a member by mistake, just go back and click on it again to disable that selection. I'll click on that, click that, click that, right click, copy. Just go to navigate to turn this round, click that, snap right at the bottom there, snap right there, and snap right here, go all the way up, come to navigate, click that and rotate. Perfectly done. Click that and rotate. Come here, turn this, click this, copy from this end to this end, turn this round, click this, give it a move command from that end to this end, just place your cursor and type 100, click OK. Turn this round, click that, right click, move, move, from here to there, 10. Navigate, rotate, click, right click, click move, snap at the bottom here and direct your cursor there and don't click, type 10 millimeter to offset this member. Again, do the same thing, we need to be very much accurate and place it there, 10 and enter. Navigate, click that, rotate about that spot. This is what you want. Good. Double click on this, come to position, rotate this back, front, top, below, exactly what you want. Navigate, rotate this. Now we'll click on this, double click on that, we come to position and increase this by 100, 0, negative 200, apply and accept, come to navigate, rotate. That extension is too much. Double click to bring it back. 120. Apply and accept. Come to navigation. Navigate with mouse. Now we'll click that. Click this. Right click, copy. From that spot to this spot, to this spot, to the top one. Now we'll select everything here. Select that, press Ctrl, select. Not complete. Click that, right click, copy. From this part to this end. Turn this round, turn this round. Nicely done. Disable that command. This just to reinforce this door frame. Reinforce this door frame. Now we'll come and select that. Select this. Select that, select this. Right click, special copy, mirror. Mirror, we need a mirror line point. We'll snap there. And there. Click copy and accept. Right click and interrupt that command. Come to navigate, click there and rotate. You'll be able to see what we've done. That's exactly what has happened. Now we can bolt this and weld this to that member. To weld this member to the portal frame, we can come here and just type stanchion. 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 And run down. We'll click that. Just type end plate. End plate. end plate, click that, come here, click that and that, double click on this, double click on that, try change this, apply and accept, double click that, come to bolts, you just need 2 bolts here at 75, apply that, 50, two bolts at 75 also, negative 70, apply that, 100, 100, perfect. You modify that, you come to navigate, click that and rotate, well placed. We double click on that, apply, modify to default on it, click there, click that and that, click this and this, that and that, let's move all the way down, that and this, that and that, this and this, see? $100, $120, $100. That's all about that spot. Apply that. Double click, come to bolts, 50, leave it 0, get these to 100, and apply that, rotate with mouse, click that, come there, apply the same thing, apply the same thing, just apply the same thing, apply the same thing, just do the same thing. I'm taking this long distance for you to get something to hold on. If I get a shortcut, you'll walk away empty, which is not good. Click that, I'll do that, I'll do that, join everything. Just zoom and click that, zoom and connect that, zoom and connect this, just zoom and connect that. Don't mind about time, today we have time to do all this. Click that and link that, that and that, this and this, this and that, this and that, this and that, this one and that one, this one and that one, this and this. Perfect. The most important about Tekla, the moment you set your connection joint, is you can apply it to a connection of the same all the way. Now we want to copy, want to use this one, double click on it, modify and apply, and OK, just to default on it. Now we want to do that at this bottom end here, the last column. Click that, click this, and click this one. We'll click that. Perfect. We'll navigate, click that, and turn this round. Redraw, turn this round, now if we switch back to our view, we'll close that, VJ. This is what we've been doing. Now this is our main entry. Let's switch back to our isometric view. Isometric view. Turn this round. Double click on that. Apply. Accept. Click that. Now here what we're going to do, we'll go straight to steel, come to bolts, coming to bolts. Before we do that, let's take back our axis back to the normal position. Let's close this. We come to steel, bolts, click that member and this member. We'll press space bar from that end to this end. Double click on this. Need 2 bolts or 1 bolt by 60. Apply that. By 90. We'll apply that. $20. $20. $20. $40. Apply that, accept that, come to navigate, rotate with mouse, turn this round, double click, come here and bring back this to 35, apply and accept, check whether it's better. Double click give it an offset of another 40, 60, apply that, change this to M16, apply and accept. You can add the bolts there, put one there, apply and accept. $50, $60, apply and accept, rotate, turn this round, can check that is it in the right spot. We need to offset it slightly, double click that and offset this by 70. Perfect, we are good to go. Now the next thing, just to copy this, click that and right click, copy from this end to this end. To that end, just move all the way down, right there, right there. Perfect. Now we'll click everything, press Ctrl, click everything there, click everything, right click, copy from this midpoint to this midpoint. Click that, right click, copy from that midpoint to this midpoint. Leave it here, add another one on top here, right click, copy. Now press Ctrl, select all this, select all this, select that, select that, select that, right click, copy from this spot, run all the way to the next spot, right there, and right here. And right here, and right here, to the very last column, the very last column. Check which part has been left out. Have a look at that. Perfectly done. Perfect. Next is to bolt this. come here, rotate this, click steel, concrete, steel, bolts, click that and that, press your space bar, turn this round, bolt, this and that, space bar, snap there, and snap here. Click that. And do that. Let's now try to kill time. Turn this round. We'll go straight to sheet placement. Undo. Double click. Come to position. -100. Apply and accept. Turn this round. Now we'll add another member here. Come to steel, come to steel beam, snap right at the bottom here, run all the way to the very last end here, double click, come to position, bring all this to 0, 0 and apply, accept, apply and accept that, come to view, rotate this, turn this round, double click on this, come to position, place this one in the middle, bring this one behind, that's perfect. Apply and accept. Navigate, rotate with mouse, turn this round, right click, click move, click here and place that one here. Come to navigate, click that and rotate. Click slightly, click there and add 100 here, 0, -100, perfect, apply, come, bolt, click this and that, press space bar, snap there and snap here, double click and remove this. Bring this to 0, 50, bring this to 20, apply and accept, come to view, navigate, double click again, Double click, apply this. Bring this to 0, accept that. 20, 1, 1 by 90. Kill that, apply, come to navigate, rotate this, double click, come here, 30, 60. From that corner to this corner, to this corner, to that corner, to that corner, to that end, to that end. Perfect. Just move on and very last one here. Now select that member, we come to navigate, click that, rotate about that spot, rotate about this spot, right click, come to view, work plane tool, place there, right click, interrupt to disable that command. You want to mirror that, all this will be our mirror line, snap there and click copy. You see that that's copied. Navigate, rotate with mouse and rotate. That has been done. Perfectly done. Perfect. Now we want to place our iron sheet. Click that and rotate. Double click that and check that's 300. Double click that. Perfect. Come here and rotate. I'll click this, come to edit, that, right click and place that. Perfect. Okay, today time has gone. We'll wind up here and continue on the next episode. Thank you. Morris Dimba is here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I welcome all the questions. Thank you and bye.